Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
It's super frustrating when your PlayStation 5 external storage acts up, right? You just want to play your games, but suddenly you're facing errors or corrupted files. Don't worry, we're here to help. This guide will walk you through common fixes for PS5 extended storage issues, making sure you can get back to gaming without a hitch. We'll cover everything from simple restarts to more advanced troubleshooting. Before diving into complex steps, let's start with the basics. First, ensure all your cables are securely plugged in. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. Then give your PlayStation 5 a full restart. This can clear out any minor software bugs. For USB drives, try unplugging the drive and then plugging it back in after a moment or two. These simple checks often fix surprising issues. If basic steps don't work, rebuilding your database in safe mode is often the next best solution. First, power off your PlayStation 5 completely. Then, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Connect your controller via USB and select option 5, Rebuild Database. This process reorganizes your drive, and it can magically fix many common storage problems without deleting your precious game data. Sometimes the problem might be with the drive itself. If you can, try connecting your extended storage to another PS5 or a PC to see if it's recognized there. Also, double-check that your drive meets Sony's specific requirements, especially for M.2 SSD, regarding speed and size. If you've exhausted all other options and have backed up your important data, a full reformat of the drive through your PS5 settings can often give it a fresh start. If you've tried all these steps and still have issues, it might be time to contact PlayStation support. They can offer more tailored diagnostics or advise on potential hardware failures. Always keep your PlayStation 5 system software updated. Updates often include crucial bug fixes. And finally, regularly back up your game saves to the cloud. This way, your progress is safe, no matter what happens to your extended storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.